Yes, Meghna, correct. Name the compound. Again, what is the name of this compound? It is called sodium phenate. Phenol alva idu. So if it is phenol attaches by sodium, it becomes sodium phenate. Sodium phenate. Phanate. Sodium phenate. Okay. This is how the chlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide. So next, second one. This is also nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is chloronitrobenzene. Mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction of chloronitrobenzene. Okay. So will you write the structure for chloronitrobenzene? Chloronitrobenzene. That's it. Okay. So if OH attacks here, write the structure. So how we wrote for benzene, same thing you need to write it for chloronitrobenzene. Resonance structure ಬರದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು? So we have wrote the resonanceal structure for benzene. So it's a shifting the position of the bond. Same like that, just change the position of the bond by adding OH here, and at last you need to remove chlorine. Okay, so write it down. The position of in O2 will change. Ortho, para, and meta. Change the position of the NO2 group. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ first? NO2 ನ I just split it. Split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Just resonanceal structure ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are shifting the position of the double bond. Shifting the position of the double bond. So there you can write the nitro in the position of para, meta, ortho. Para, meta, ortho. There will be a chance of fixing of nitrogen in para, meta, and ortho. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of chlorobenzene, chloronitrobenzene. Very important. Okay. At last you can write there will be a presence of, okay, in para position and in ortho position and in meta also. So in all three positions, you can see there will be a presence of nitro group, NO2 group, para, ortho, meta. ಮೂರು positions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ fix ಆಗಬಹುದು. Fine. So this is nucleophilic reaction. Nucleophilic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು? So wherever you are adding OH minus, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ that is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. You are adding more nucleophilic substance to the group, that is called nucleophilic. Electrophilic means you are adding the positive charge to the ring. Okay. Electrophilic substitution reaction means you are adding a positive charge component to that. Okay, na? Shall I move on? Next, in electrophilic substitution reaction, you can see there will be a presence of electrophilic substitution reaction. In that, halogenation. Okay, halogenation. What do you mean by halogenation? Halogenation ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? There will be an addition of halogen group to an chlorobenzene. ಅಂದ್ರೆ already chlorine halogen ಇದೆ, so still you are adding one more halogenic group to the benzene ring which contain already existing halide. So that is called halogenation, the addition of halogen to the compound. Addition of halogen to the compound or a molecule. Yes, correct. Okay, can you give me an example for halogenation? Halogenation ಒಂದು example ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? Give whatever the example you can give. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ example ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Just write on your paper and show me on screen. I'll pin video on the birthday. You can click on that pin video and you can show it to me. Just write an example for halogenation. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಬರೆಸ್ತೀನಿ. Just try. Next time also you have to right? So we'll go slowly. No problem. ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? Shall I do it? ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Means so there will be a presence of one group. So if you are adding halogen compound to that, this is the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, you will get there will be attachment of 2 chlorine. So the chlorine position may changes like ortho, para and meta. Okay, ortho, para and meta. Now second one. ನೈಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ಸ್ಟೇ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಯು. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಫ್ರೀ. If you are doing the same kind of thing, again I'll take tomorrow class and I'll teach you. Nitration ಅಂದ್ರೆ addition of nitro group. Addition of nitro group to the chlorobenzene HNO3. The presence of sulfuric acid. So what you will get? NO2 group. There will be changing in the position of the NO2 group, either in para or in meta. Plus H2O. Okay. Next, third one, sulfonation. Sulfonation. So sulfur group add matter. So we are going to add a sulfur group for the nitrobenzene. H2SO4 gives rise to chloro HO3H, or plus they will be changing in the position as I informed you. So it may be ortho or para. Okay, so addition is called sulfonation. Then Friedel-Crafts, FRIDEL, Friedel, CRAFTS, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, there will be an addition of CH3Cl. It's called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. CH3Cl, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. What you will get the product? Cl as usual. H3 group will attach. Again, there will be a changing in the position of the group, so it will gives you two formats. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. Next, Friedel-Crafts Arylation. Alkylation ಅಂದ್ರೆ Cl, alkyl group. Aryl ಅಂದ್ರೆ arylic group. Friedel-Crafts, Fridel, Friedel-Crafts. Arylation, ACY, acylation. Sorry. Acylation. It's not acylation, it's acylation. Same acylic group we are going to add. So it's of CH3, COCl. Alkylation and the alkyl group, acylation and the COCl. So in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, so you will get the product has like this Cl. You just add it on. This one, and it's going to be act as a second structure plus HCl. This is acylation. So now what happens when it reacts with metal? Okay, what happens when it reacts with metal? That is Wurtz-Fittig, Fittig reaction. Okay, Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So Wurtz-Fittig reaction aleno. So we are going to take an alkyl benzene. So chlorobenzene tagondidvi. So chloride benzene. If you are adding with sodium, okay. So if you are adding with the sodium, CH3, Cl. Okay, is the product. So you'll get CH3 group plus NaCl. So this going to be separated, and this R group attaches directly to the benzene. This is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. Sodium na you benzene ring jothe react andre you will get that reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts reaction. That is, reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether. Okay, reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. Wurtz-Fittig reaction ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction ಎರಡಿದೆ. So now Fittig reaction. Right here. Fittig reaction. Fittig. Fittig reaction. So same chlorobenzene reacts with 2 sodium plus this is also chlorobenzene. 2 chlorobenzene react with sodium. What is the product? That is called Fittig reaction. So that will form an heavy aryl group. Heavy aryl group form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you can see here, this is called as diphenylic group. This is called as diphenylic group. In the presence of ether, you will get 2 sodium chloride. So this to remove ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you can join this to benzene ring. It is called diphenylic group. That is called diphenylic group. Okay. Then you have polyhalogen compound. Means to say more than one halogenic group is attaching. So dichloromethyl is the best example for that. So we need to read the property of dichloromethyl and diiodomethyl. Iodo in group adina iodo form anta kuda karithivi. So you have those two, and DDT. So it's diphenyl trichloroethane. DDT. Diphenyl trichloroethane. And CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. So this function properties ಇದೆ. So we'll read it on class. Andre nale ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, don't worry. So we'll take it after your examination. So ಅದು ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್, ಬಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ from next class, very focus. After midterm only I'll do. No need to worry. Tomorrow I'll just launch the class. You just please log in for the class, and after leave the class and you can read. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye bye.